Getting stuck on the FRP screen after factory reset your Samsung phone is not the end of the world. Whether you've forgotten your Google account credentials or causing it to get stuck on the FRP verification window, an all-in-one FRP tool is the best solution. In this video, I will introduce you to the best Samsung FRP tool of 2025, DroidKit. What is FRP and Samsung FRP tool? Factory Reset Protection, FRP, is a Google security feature designed to prevent unauthorized access to your phone or tablet after a factory reset. When someone tries to access your device after a reset, the Samsung FRP lock will activate and require the Google credentials previously linked to that device. If you don't bypass the Samsung Google verification, your device will remain locked. However, as a professional tool designed to bypass FRP verification on nearly all Android devices, DroidKit can remove the FRP lock in just one click without requiring any password. Become the tool of choice for many Android users to bypass Google account verification. With high success rate and compatible with Android versions 6 to 15, support Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Moto, Oppo, etc. It can also remove all types of lock screen on Android devices, fix system issues, recover lost data without root. Free download the latest version of DroidKit from the official website. How to use DroidKit for Samsung FRP bypass. Open DroidKit and select FRP bypass. Connect your FRP locked phone to your computer, then click the Start button. DroidKit will automatically prepare the configuration file for your device. Once ready, click Start to bypass to proceed. Select your system version and click Next. Follow the prompts to set your device into diagnostic mode. Return to the phone home screen, tap the emergency call option, and enter *#0# to access the diagnostic menu. Click Reset and wait for DroidKit to remove the FRP lock. Once the process is complete, your device will restart. After restarting, you'll see that the FRP lock has been removed. Your phone is now unlocked, and there is no longer any Google account associated with it in the settings. As you can see, DroidKit is the simplest and most reliable solution to bypass Samsung FRP lock without needing any passwords or Google credentials. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.